Hello everyone, my name is Hannah Kong. Together with Dr. Imelda N. Achin and Dr. Adley Bromio Bianos are my co-author of this research. And today we talk about the research on Hasnul Jamasadun projections artwork, semiotic analysis on value of an artist and a fictional dialogue. New media art is a term that refers to the artwork created using new media technology. It is a work produced with the use of computer technology that includes a digital distribution method and is shown in an exhibition. Yet, some Malaysian artists believe that there is a significant distinction between art and technology. As a result of these changes, the ability to offer a new possibility in the industry become more challenging. So, using artists who work with the latest electronic media as an example of how visual and creative language on creating the realistic scenes on screen can help to keep audience from becoming lost in the interpretations of an artwork. And Hasnul Jamasadun, a specialist in electronic art, was selected to be the subject of this study. In order to comprehend on the values and the meanings that included in each form of artwork, a semiotic approach of Charles Sanders Peirce was used to study and analyze his artwork as a whole. Before we dive into the analysis of the research, let us understand the literature review on projection site. As Noka Tosa explains, that a mapping project is a form of art that depicts the movement and emotion. Projection art is a digital art form that evolves in tandem with the advancement of technology available at the moment. It is a new visual art technology that employs technology to turn existing objects into extraordinary image that uses high-speed camera to record exceptional images of the items. In the research of Panasonic Business in the year 2015 showed that various major events take advantage of projection mapping technology for their shows, concerts, sport events, live performance, and the other occasions as well. According to Anthony Head, there are some words applicable to the outdoor forecast involving projecting on structures. This concept converge but differentiate between various approaches to the visual projections technologies on buildings. We must first understand the medium through which the artwork was produced before we can understand its meaning, and semiotic tells us things we already know in a language we will never understand, says Paddy Wernell. Whereas, Robert Hodge and Gander Chris describe that semiotic as a branch of science concerned with the existence and behavior of science in society. This helps us to explain how an image communicates a message. Semiotic has provided value in the method of comprehending the visual world for artists. It helps us to convey our understanding of cultural value, create a meaningful language, and develop a meaningful connections with the audience through the artworks. Brian Curtins points out that visual signs can be used as text-like metaphors, and that linguistic models can confuse our understanding on visual images when evaluating a piece of art. Meanwhile, Alex Pott explained that since the interpretations of the image was communicated through words, we may imagine a wide range of the other visual elements, each with their own unique meanings. According to Ferdinand de Saussure, signs were described as having a life in society. Yes, it is. Furthermore, it is true that in Peirce's model, semiosis involved three elements instead of two elements, which are sign, object, and interpretant. What type of method is used in this research then? It is a qualitative research, which involves exploring and studying the signs in their natural context in order to understand or interpret events according to the meanings people give to them. Researchers have conducted several activities such as library study, observations, and interviews with the selected informants. Besides, the researchers also applied the semiotic theory approach based on the model of Charles Sanders Peirce in the form of rubrics to identify the concept, signs, and interpret the values in the projections artwork of Hasnul. Peirce's model is based on the triadic division, which are the sign, the object, and through the interpretant. We can see that for the sign is a form which the sign text, not necessary material, though usually interpreted as such, and some theories refer it as a sign vehicle. Following is the object, refer as something beyond the sign to which it refers, or usually we call it as a referent. And coming next is the interpretant, which is not an interpreter, but rather than the sense made of the signs. Now, let's have a look on the analysis artwork. As the left side of the picture is the artwork entitled Veil of an Artist, produced in the year between 2005 to 2011. It is a video installation and exhibited in Chandan Gallery Publica, Kuala Lumpur, as well as at the Fukuoka Asian Art Museum, Japan, in the year 2013. There are 16 mixed media paintings in this exhibition. All of these apply with abstract expressionism style and realistic sense of abstract design model from Eastern conventional artistic language. Among them are works with entitled Standing, Ask, Submit, Letting Go, Peace, Embrace, Me in You, Map of Soul, and so on. Hasnu has used a combination of paintings, interactive media, and installation videos in producing his work. In the artwork of Standing, there is an image of two crossed-arms dressed in white. The dress has details of branches and flowers, and the background is highlighted in an expressionist style. In this work, Hasnu combined the installations form and the elements of the video projection system to project a moving picture on the artwork. The researcher found three signs in this artwork, which are arm crossed, motif of flowers, projections of a man. Semiotic analysis. For the first sign showing that arm crossed, and the object described the both arms are folded together at the right angles to an upright across the chest. And this sign interprets as a self-reflection in which one experiences resistance, pressure, anxiousness, uncertainty, fear, or reacts to discomfort in the painting. Second sign is motif of flowers. Object describe a pattern which has an arrangement of repeated or corresponding parts, decorative motifs of flowers. The flowers interprets the patterns that embody a sense of harmony in collaboration with the background. The third sign is a projection of a man. Object describe a moving image of a man in form of shining light appear on the surface of the painting, and it reflects the diverse nature and the distinct characteristic of the man. On the other hand, this is a fictional dialogue produced in the year 1997. It's a computer animations in video projections form and exhibited in the first electronic art show, National Art Gallery, Kuala Lumpur. A fictional dialogue consists of matrix words in various languages moving across on the screen. It is a 5-minute duration of an animated text looping video that projected on the cornered wall, and there is a figure in the actions of moving around inside the video. There are two signs in this projection's work of art. First is an animated text looping video. The object shows that 5 minutes durations of an animated matrix words of text in the image were moving horizontal as the cathode ray tube screen resolutions. And this interpret as the narrative of questioning our own identity and self-awareness in vivid media scene. Number 2 is the sign projections of the image of matrix words. The object shows that the moving image of matrix words in various languages with a silhouette man was projected horizontal at the edge of the corner, and this interprets that the man is being cornered and squeezed by the mass media. Therefore, to interpret the semiotic elements in the projections artwork, Veil of an Artist uses projections art to focus on our inner value and quality natures of our personality rather than tie it on the field aspect of our perceptions on the particular identity that used to make sense of the world. While a fictional dialogue uses projections art as a consequence of being overly indulgent to the media that leads in the rejections of your real self, and eventually you'll lose your identity and the original objective of your lives. In conclusion, this research helps us to understand the projections art contains the semiotic elements and reflect of bringing up a variety cultural and identity concern in the context of Malaysian society. The researcher also found that Hasnu has brought forth innovative and more deep visual concept on utilizing this projections art, which creates a new and more complex visual language in the projections artwork. It is important to transforming the environment into the more dynamic virtual environment by using a large scale and giving an exposure to the audience in understanding the work of art. And this research has established the interactions, especially the art communications and society, as well as to encourage the new media artworks production. That's all from me. Thank you for your time.